Okay, welcome to another lesson. In the last game, if you remember, we collected the coins, we went up the ladder, and we created a flower that went back and forth. What I want to do now is create a situation where if we land on, if we touch the flower, we'll kill it, which is basically the same as a coin, but I'm going to add the condition to it to only kill the flower if it's falling. So I'll just quickly add a new platform to make that easier for us, and I'll start my player over there. I'll start it there actually. Okay, so we go to new events, add a new event, and I'm going to make a new group. I'm going to call this group enemy and flower deaths, and then I'm going to add a new condition. So then I'll drag that in. So the new condition is going to be when the player is in collision with the flower. Click OK, and the action will be flower and delete an object, and that's it. So when our player is in collision with the flower, delete it. Just the same as when a player is in collision with the coin, delete the coin. But we need to add a slightly modified condition to this, and that is when the player is falling. And we click OK. If we tried running that game now, we'll see the flowers there. If I drop onto it, I'm falling, it dies. If I play it again, and this time I missed it. I actually was falling when I hit it. I'll try again. I'll be a bit more patient. So this time, if I now hit it this way, nothing happens because I'm on the ground. So I can only kill it if I'm falling. So I'll add a new condition in, and I'm going to, if we click the box here, we get this like this. We can right click and we can do copy, and if I go to add new condition and move across, I can click paste. I'm going to do the same again here. Copy and paste, but this time I'm going to change is falling. So when the player is on the floor, but if the player is on the floor, I want to delete the actual, I might as well just add the player, and it'll be player delete. Delete an object. Okay. I need to put these into a new condition actually. So I need to add a new event, and I need to drag this down there, and I need to bring that down there. I'll move that underneath. So move these in. So and I pull that one down. Okay, so now when the player is on the floor, I'll put that underneath. So when the player is in collision with the flower and the player is on the floor, we'll delete the player. So that's how our interaction will work. So this time, if the player touches me, the flower touches me, I've died that time, so I'm gone. So that's how we start to get rid of lives. So that's another thing that we can add into the game, which is player falling and player jumping. The next thing I'm going to go on to now is we're going to put some player lives in. So I'll put that in the next tutorial.